Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NI EVS Home School. This is Fatimatul Johra, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for the students of class 6. Dear students, today we will read chapter 3, lesson 4, Makhraj. We will discuss about Makhraj, and it is the chapter 3, lesson 4, and lecture number 14, HW number 12. Okay, now come. It is lesson 4, Makhraj. Okay, what is the definition of Makhraj? We will know this answer. The meaning of the word Makhraj is the place or release or of the place of release or pronouncing the area of the mouth from which the Arabic letters are pronounced are called Makhraj. So here is the definition of Makhraj. Okay, you can. So there are 29 Arabic letters. How many Arabic letters? 29 Arabic letters. These are pronounced from 17 places of mouth. These 17 places are called Makhraj. So the total number of Makhraj is 17. The 17 Makhraj is termed are located in 5 areas of the mouth. These 5 areas is empty space inside the mouth or jaw, throat or halq, tongue, both lips, base of the nose. So from the first part, Makhraj will pronounce 1, and it is 3 Makhraj will pronounce from throat, 10 Makhraj will pronounce from tongue, and 2 Makhraj pronounce from both lips, 1 Makhraj will pronounce base of the nose. Now come to it is here. You have to know first from here. This is this nose, inside the nose, and here is lips, tongue, and throat. Here is the picture of this. Now detailed description of Makhraj. The first Makhraj is Zawf. Zawf is the empty space inside the mouth. 3 letters are pronounced from this area. These 3 letters alif, waw, and ya. For example, we can say ba, bu, bi. These 3 letters are pronounced in the air from the vacant space inside the mouth. The tongue, teeth, lips, the throat, none of these are used in the process. Okay, these are called letter of mad. It is important for you. This means that at the time of reading there are to be given the length of an alif. You have to make it an alif long. One alif make it long. Now come to Makhraj 2. 2 letters are pronounced from the bottommost part of the throat. Bottommost part of the throat. Here is the bottommost part of the throat. 2 letters will be pronounced from here. These 2 letters are means Hamza and Ha. Hamza, Ha. For example, you can A, I. These are the example. Now come to Makhraj number 3. Here 2 letters are pronounced from the middle portion of the throat. Middle portion of the throat. Here is the middle portion of the throat. 2 letters are pronounced from here. It is Ain, Ha. Ain, Ha. It is pronounced from the middle portion of the throat. For example, Ag, Ah. Okay, now number 4. 2 letters are pronounced from the topmost part of the throat. These are Kha and Ghain. Topmost part of the throat. It is Kha and Ghain. So example will be A, Ag, Ah. Here is A, Ah. Here is Ag, Ah. Okay. Number 4. The 5th Makhraj is the base of the tongue and the palate right above it. One phoneme or letter is pronounced from this place. It is Qaf. Okay, tongue and the palate right above it. It is Qaf. Example Aq. Example is Aq. Okay, now come to number 6. The place a little above the base of the tongue. 1 letter will be pronounced in the 6th Makhraj. It is Kaf. The tongue and the space right above it on the palate. Okay, it is Kaf. For example, Ak. Number 7. 7 Makhraj in 7 makras 3 letters will pronounce from this space, middle tongue and the space right above it on the palate. Okay, how many letters will pronounce here? Pronounce 3 letters: jim, shin, ya. Jim, shin, ya. For example, you can say I, ash, aj. Okay, middle tongue and the space right above it on the palate. Number 8, one letter will be pronounced from this. The tongue has to be touched with the gum of the upper teeth. Dod, dod, dod. The example will be ado, ado. Example will be ado. Okay, till here we have done today, and your HW is 3, 4 and 5. You have to give the definition and example also. Till here, this 2 lines, these 2 lines. Okay, and till here with the example you have to do the HW 3, 4 and 5. Here you have given the HW number 12, write makras 3, 4 and 5. The HW I have shown it here. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood your lesson. You have to practice more at home and abide by your parents. Keep fasting, perform your prayer every day. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.